Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to find device files in YouTube Music. So if you use this YouTube Music instead of another a platform like a Spotify or Geo or anything that I play the music, you can also use your own music from your device in YouTube Music. You can play the offline music from your storage, from your library. It's very easy to do. All you have to do is open your YouTube Music first and go to the setting button, tap on your account at the top of your screen and go to the settings, and then you can tap downloads and storage here. So as you can see, in download and storage option, you can see the free storage here, and download over Wi-Fi only. You can download the music but over the Wi-Fi. Audio quality, you can set high or normal, and then video quality, you can use it in medium or leave it be. And also you can turn this on, show device files, so allow YouTube Music to access photo and media on your device. You can allow it, so you can play the music from your device. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click the button below. See you in the next video.